morning, sir. Welcome to Amalis Hotel. My name is Rasami M. Panganiban, and I will be your personal butler during stay. May I assist you with your luggage?
Yes, please, thank you.
You're most welcome. Before I take your luggage, may I confirm, is there anything fragile or valuable items inside that requires special handling?
No, everything is fine.
Very well, sir. Please allow me to escort you to our front desk office for check-in.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Amalisa Hotel. Do you have a reservation with us?
Yes, under the name of Rashid Lopez.
Thank you, Mr. Lopez. May I please see your valid identification card? Thank you, sir. Your reservation has been confirmed. You will be staying in our deluxe room for 3 nights. Breakfast is included and will be served 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Here are your room key. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
This way, sir. Allow me to escort you to your room. While we're on our way, let me introduce some of our hotel facilities. Our all-dining restaurant is located on the ground floor. The fitness center is open from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. Our swimming pool is located on the 5th floor. The business center operates 24 hours. Complimentary Wi-Fi is available throughout the hotel. Should you require a restaurant reservation, transportation, laundry, or any special assistance, I will be happy to arrange everything for you.
Thank you, that's very helpful.
This is your room, sir. May I have your key card to open the door? Welcome to your room, sir. Allow me to briefly familiarize you with your room feature. This is your room key card. The air conditioner control is located beside the entrance. The television remote is on bedside table. The minibar is stocked with beverage and snack. The safety deposit box is inside the wardrobe. The bathroom amenities includes fresh towel, toiletries, slippers, and bathroom. The room service is available 24 hours through extension 0. If you need housekeeping, simply dial extension #122. If you wish, I can assist you with unpacking your luggage and arranging your garment.
Yes, please. Okay.
Your clothing has been arranging inside your wardrobe. Would you like me to prepare any garment for pressing or laundry services?
No, thank you.
Very well. May I also arrange a wake-up call, restaurant reservation, airport transportation, tea or coffee services, extra pillow or blanket?
No, that's all.
It has been my pleasure. Should you require any assistance, please contact through guest services by dialing 0. Enjoy your stay. Good evening. May I come in?
Yes.
I understand you are checking out today. May I assist you in packing your belongings?
Yes, please.
Your belonging has been packed. May I escort you to the front desk?
Yes. Good evening, ma'am. This is the room key cards.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Allow me to assist you to your luggage, to your vehicle. Ay, have a nice trip pala. Thank you, sir. Have a safe trip.
Thank you.